Alright, welcome back. I thought I'd just give you a quick rundown of what's happened on the scooter in the last 6 or so months. As you can see, it's changed quite a lot from when I originally got it, when it was just like any other scooter. Now we've got a bit of chrome work on it. I guess the most obvious thing is the front rack and the lights, which are wired up and work. And the rack still falls down. And if I want to take the rack off, I just unplug the wire, take the rack off. Next came the mirrors. Well, actually, the next came was the leg shield bars. They were fitted. Then I had the mirrors turned. The mirrors were going to go on the rack, but it was just too vibrating. So I've got a couple of brackets on the bottom. That's sorted. The chrome trim was actually put on by the previous owner, as was the little bikini screen. We've softened up the suspension and hardened up the rear suspension. There's videos on that. And if we just go on the back now. Here's the front. It's got an extra front mud flap on, albeit only a small one, so it doesn't restrict the airflow too much to the radiator. What else have we done? Had a little clock. I've had a little bar for a GoPro mount or a phone mount for future. Chrome rack folding. We've put the chrome cover on the rear light. We've fitted Flooglebinder quick release fitting kit. So these panels come off nice and easy without any tools, which is the main thing. Lextek brake levers, mirror extenders. Underneath here we fitted a Fusebox, ignition relay powered Fusebox. We ran the wires underneath up into the glove compartment. So we'll look at that next. So we converted that single USB port to a dual USB port. And that's the Optimate charge point. So I'll quickly show you a few of the stickers. There's the Keep the Faith one, Northern Soul. Can't beat a bit of Northern Soul. There's the This is the modern world on the side of the scooter. Breaks up that panel a little bit. It's a bit of a play on words. Those that get it will get it. Those who don't get it or don't like it, tough. And then there's a little bit of a quote from one of the songs from Secret Affair. And that is pretty much it. Hopefully you'll have watched the channel quite a bit and maybe learned a little bit. Certainly had a little bit of fun watching the channel. That's pretty much how it's going to be now. If you see me on the rallies, please come over and have a word with me, have a talk. It's great, the scooter community is brilliant, and that's what it's all about really. But for now, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video, which hopefully when the weather improves will be a nice ride out.